So this is our project. We are using GitHub API to analyze it using Claude. We are using Claude Opus for summarizing the whole repository. We are using Claude 3.7 Sonnet to get insight of the repository. So these are all the insights that we get after running the code, and we get a JSON file that will be feeding our voice agent app to talk to the repository and get insights from it. I'll show a demo of how to get summarize the pull request. So this is a pull request I want to summarize, and I'll select the role. Let's say a general audience wants to understand the summary of the pull request. Yeah, so this is a summary generated by Claude, and okay, I'll show you the AI agent where we ask questions. Who is the top contributor? See, we get the top contributor is a symmetric voucher, and we can you tell me one bottleneck situation. So it tells us what could cause a bottleneck.
Okay, I have analyzed the JSON data you provided about the small agents library. It seems like a powerful tool for building agents that can reason and act using Python code. Would you like me to summarize the information, or do you have any specific questions about it? Okay, just one potential bottleneck. Based on the information provided, a potential bottleneck in small agents could be code execution security. Here's why. While small agents offers flexibility with different sandbox options, secure underscore local underscore interpreter, Docker underscore sandbox, E2B underscore sandbox, each has trade-offs. The default, secure underscore local underscore interpreter, attempts safe evaluation but might be restrictive or have limitations. The more secure options, Docker underscore sandbox and E2B underscore sandbox, Okay, one idea to improve small agents would be to implement dynamic code execution security. Here's the concept. The agent would analyze the generated code snippet before execution and automatically select the most appropriate security sandbox based on the code's complexity and potential risk. Simple, low risk. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding small agents or any other topic?